Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add products into your Shopify. It's very easy. First thing we have to do is log in into our Shopify account and log in as an admin, obviously. Then we land in our workspace that you are probably familiar with, and we have a third option on the left side panel. It's called products. As you can see, I already added 2 products that I have in my portfolio, and I want to add more. On top right corner we have add product, and we're gonna click add product. Title is the name of the product that I want to add. Let's say I'm specializing in shoes and in shoes industry, and we want to go with for example, winter shoes. Description, very winter proof and warm shoes. Now we can find ourselves some kind of, I don't know, picture of a winter shoe. That is let's go on like this, and we can drop image in here. The price of those shoes will be 50 euros. Compare at price, for example 70. Cost per item, let's go with 20. That's your buying price. So we are buying it for 20, selling for 50, but the original price was 70, just like that. Will be stock at shop location or fulfillment service, shop location available. Let's go with like 10. Weight will be 1 kilogram, and then we can save the whole product. As you can see, product organization, we can change also the category, product type, vendor, and also its collections. And once we click on the products again, you see that we have winter shoes then in stock. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.